Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for CitySpot WordPress theme for your WordPress website, so in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it and how we can install it on your WordPress website. So let's get it started. So I will provide you the product link, this product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will redirect there. Okay. And here's the second way. So just open your browser and type for Bloggingify store and click bloggingify.com/store. And here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins. So if you need anything else, so just click on the search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about CitySpot theme. So let me type city and just click on this product. Okay. So here you can see we have some little with details. So let me explain you. Uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually, we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install our license key on your WordPress website. So you will receive lifetime auto update. License type, we have original license key. So that's why we do not share our licenses to anyone at any cost. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now after that you have to fill your billing information there, that is your first name, last name, your WhatsApp number with your country code, your email address for your billing information and other stuff, and your website URL. This is the optional and your password for Bloggingify store, and select your payment method and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation you will redirect on this type of thank you page. Here you can see a download button, so just click on it. You will receive our premium contact support and send your website temporary access with us, and we will install your CitySpot theme in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, any query, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video.